We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello students, I am Bhavesh, Patel. In this session we are going to discuss about the different type of tests conducted on insulators. So first of all, what is the insulator? What is the purpose of insulator? The insulator are used in electrical power system to support and separate the electrical conductors without allowing current through themselves. That is called insulator. Before we are going to testing of insulator, we will try to understand different causes of insulator failure. Because the insulator testing ensure the quality of electrical insulator and chance to failure of insulation depends upon the quality of insulator. So first of all, causes of insulator failure. There are many causes due to which failure of insulation in electrical power system may occur. Let's have look on them one by one. The first, cracking of insulator. The porcelain insulator mainly consists of 3 different materials: the main porcelain body, steel fitting arrangement, and cement to fit the steel part with porcelain. Due to the changing of climate conditions, this different material of insulator expands, and due to this unequal expansion are causes, and it is the chief cause of cracking of insulations or insulator. Second, defective insulation material. If the insulator material used in insulator is defective anywhere, the insulator may have a high chance of being punctured. Then second, porosity in the insulation material. In this porcelain insulator is manufactured for a low temperature. If manufactured at low temperature, it will make it porous. Due to low temperature, the insulator will make porous. And due to this reason, it will absorb moisture from the air and insulation will decrease. And due to this, leakage current will start to flow to insulator, which will tend to insulator failure. Next reason is improper glazing on insulator surface. If the insulation of porcelain insulator is not properly glazed, then moisture can strike on it. This moisture along with deposit dust on the insulator surface produces a conducting part. Due to dust present on the insulator, become conducting part. And the result of flashover over the distance of insulator is reduced. And the flashover distance is reduced, the possibility of flashover is maximum. Next is flashover across insulator. If the flashover occurs, the insulation may be overheated, which may ultimately result into the setting of it. Then second reason is mechanical stresses on the insulator. If the insulator has any weak portion due to manufacturing defect, if insulator is manufactured and then any portion or any part, any location it is defective, then it will break from that quick portion when mechanical stress apply on it, and mechanical stress is on by conductor. These are the main cause of insulator failure. Then now we will discuss about the different type of test conducting on insulator. Main generally basic category is type test and routine test. Generally in type test is done to prove check the design features and the quality. It is also done on the sample when the new design or design change are introduced. Generally that is called type test. And routine test to check the quality of individual test piece. It is also done on to ensure the reliability of the individual test object and also the quality and consistency of the material used in manufacturing. So this type of basic test, type and routine test. And generally main test done on insulator are power frequency test and impulse test. The basic two categories: power frequency voltage test and impulse voltage test. And third test is generally pollution test. In power frequency test is done on the power frequency voltage, and impulse test is done on the impulse frequency test, impulse voltage test. In power frequency test, dry and wet flashover test. In this test, dry test and wet test both are flashover test. Okay. Then second test, it is the dry and wet Western test. Okay. The two type of tests done in power frequency test: flashover test and Western test for 1 minute. Then impulse test. The first test is impulse Western test and second test is impulse flashover test. Okay. Then next we are going to discuss about the power frequency test. The first test is dry test and wet flashover test. Okay. Then in this test, the AC voltage of power frequency is applied across the insulator and increase at uniform rate of about 2% per second of 75% of the estimated test voltage to such a value that breakdown occur along the surface of the insulator. In this test, two type of test: dry test and wet test. If the test is conducted under the normal condition without any rain precipitation, it is called dry flashover test. Without rain test, it is called dry test. And wet test, it is the condition on rain, it is called wet flashover test. In this test carried out under the influence of artificial rain created. In this test, artificial rain is created by specially design of fountain, and the spray of water in the condition of 45 vertical. Okay, the water drop is fall on the insulator is 45 vertical is the rain condition. Okay, and this test voltage is applied to the insulator for 1 minute, and artificial rain, okay, at 45 angle vertical is allowed for on the test object or insulator, and the voltage is gradually increased until the flashover occur. Okay, a gradually increased voltage up to the flashover occur, and after 10 seconds again flashover voltage is applied, Okay, and we observed that the mean of the 4 or 5 applications must not be less than rated or specified weight flashover voltage. Okay, here 5 reading is taken and observe how many times flashover voltage is occur. Okay, and there are some condition for rain or artificial rain. Okay. The spray of water having a characteristic that the artificial rain characteristic, there is the precipitation rate is 3 plus or minus 10% mm per minute. Okay. Then direction is 45 angle vertical. Drop of water is 45 angle. Conductivity of water is 100 microsiemens plus or minus 10%. Okay. The conductivity is generally 100%, 100 microsiemens. And water temperature is ambient plus or minus 15 centigrade. So temperature of water is 15 centigrade. Generally, this condition or this characteristic of artificial rain is applied on the insulator mounted on the service. Then second is wet and dry withstand test. The first test is flashover test, both dry and wet. Then second test is dry and wet withstand test for 1 minute. Okay. In this case, the specified voltage, okay, in the relevant specification is applied under the dry and wet, okay, in both conditions. Okay. Dry and wet condition માં the specified voltage is applied for a period of 1 minute. Okay, with the help of any cascade transformer, etc. And then observe the test piece should withstand specified voltage. Okay, the specified voltage is applied for 1 minute. We hope that this voltage is withstand by insulator and not damage. Okay. So that is the wet and dry withstand test, and both tests are power frequency test. Then second is impulse test, impulse voltage test. Okay. The first test is impulse withstand test. The standard impulse of 1 by 50 microsecond. 1 by 50 means 1 for front time and 50 tail time. Okay. So 1 by 50 front time and tail time of wave shape of impulse. Okay. So this standard wave impulse 1 by 50 microsecond is applied to the specified impulse voltage under the dry condition. Okay, and this voltage is in both polarity, positive and negative polarity of wave. And 5 consecutive wave do not possess the flashover or puncture to the insulator is said to have passed of impulse withstand test. Okay, you 5 times apply this wave on the insulator, and out of 5 you withstand this voltage without flashover, puncture, then insulator is said to pass. Okay. So this impulse provided with the help of Marx generator. Okay. With the help of Marx generator or impulse generator in the laboratory. If the 2 or out of 5 cause flashover, then insulator is said to have a fail on the test. Okay. If 2 times flashover occur out of 5, then insulator is fail to the test. So it is called impulse withstand test. Then impulse flashover test. Okay. In this test, the test performed on the sample of insulator, and the insulator generally must be clean. Okay, there is the condition, and dry. So usually amplitude of impulse wave should be such it causes a 50% flashover. And generally usually probability of failure of determine 40 to 60% value. Okay, so 40 to 60% failure is determined. Okay. And the test object must not be damaged. The magnitude of impulse supply should not be less than the magnitude of 50% flashover already given in the specification specified on the rating plate. Generally 50% flashover already set. And it is the difficult to adjust the test voltage for exact 50% flashover value. Okay. And observe the above. And it is a simple flashover test. Okay, in this test, impulse flashover test, also 1 by 50 microsecond wave is applied to the insulator with the help of mass generator or impulse generator. Then next, pollution test. Okay. Generally, normal type of pollution are dust pollution, microorganism pollution, bird secretion pollution. Then industrial pollution include smoke, petroleum vapors, dust and other deposits. Coastal pollution consider corrosive and hygroscopic salt layers are deposited on the insulator surface. Desert pollution consider sandstorm causes the deposition on sand on the insulator and mounted dust layer on the insulator. Then ice and fog deposits. Okay, this problem generally created on the polar countries. So why we are performing pollution test? So due to the pollution, corrosion and non-uniform gradient along the insulator string. Okay, due to pollution, corrosion of the insulator or corrosion of any metal part and non-uniform gradient along the insulator string. Okay. Then pollution also deterioration of the material and partial discharge and radio interference also occur. So generally, yet not any standard pollution test is available, but normally done under salt fog test. Okay? The pollution test is salt fog test. In this test, maximum normal withstand voltage is applied on the insulator and artificial salt is created around the insulator by jet of salt water and compressed air. Okay, so in this case, salinity water. Salinity water is used, and this water is jet on the insulator. If flashover occurs within a specified time, okay, then test is repeated with the fog of lower salinity. Okay. If before time flashover occurs, at the time we reduce the salinity of the water. Otherwise, the fog of high salinity is used. Okay. And the maximum salinity at which the insulator withstand 3 or 4 tests without flashover is observed. So this type of test including pollution testing. Okay. Thank you.